Good morning. I'm choosing to talk about the Chromebook and GoGuardian are my two technologies that I use on a daily basis when I'm subbing in the school. In the school that I am currently at, the students all have a Chromebook from K through 12. Seventh graders get to take them home. Anyone under seventh grade, they need to stay in school, and every teacher has a Chromebook as well. The Chromebooks fold different ways. You can turn them sideways if you would like. Students can use the touch screen, and they they're very useful, I have found. There's 5 reasons Chromebooks are awesome to have. Cheaper machines, longer life, so the students can be a little rough with them and not have any issues. I know some of the kids in some of the classes that I'm in, they're missing keys off of it and they still work. They just have to push the little button. More time teaching. So the Chromebooks are an easier technology, so the teachers aren't messing with how do I do this or anything like that. It's very laid out, very simple. The apps and the how to use it is very um, productive for the kiddos. Um, there's Google Apps for every education domain. A big one that we use is Google Classroom, which I talked about in my first video. Better security, perfect backups, so schools can use GoGuardian with their Chromebooks and teachers can actually see what time the students were on what website. They can block websites, they can block the students from listening to music. I know when I'm subbing, the kids take advantage because I'm not their regular teacher and they'll sneak on and play on YouTube or something, and next thing I know they're complaining because especially if I'm working in a small group, the other kids will be like, oh, he's on music or something, and then the teacher will actually be able to see that and can shut them right down. Um, then the features that are available from Chromebooks is it's a screen viewer, so live stream of students and screens are in one window. I talked a little bit about the teachers can see the real time and historic insight into when, where, and how the students are using the devices. They can black out the screens. They can close tabs on the kids. And then what's really cool is the teacher can automatically send a website to the students' Chromebooks. The group that I had actually yesterday in school, they were partnered up, and the app that they were using, one student could be typing, they had to write a story, and one student was typing and it was showing up on his partner's Chromebook. So the Chromebooks can actually share information from partners. I think it's a great technology that we have today. Students get more out of it, I feel, because it's not just pen and paper anymore. Thanks for watching.